Which state is called the Dragon State? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Sikkim, C. Assam. Correct answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Who is known as Kavivar? A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Surdas, C. Kalidas. Correct answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the largest coal producing state in India? A. Jharkhand, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Orissa. Correct answer is A. Jharkhand. Which state is called the Switzerland of the East? A. Meghalaya, B. Manipur, C. Nagaland. Correct answer is A. Meghalaya. Who built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Aurangzeb. Correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. Who is called the architect of modern India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which state is called the Venice of the North? A. Jammu or Kashmir, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Jammu or Kashmir. Which is the smallest state in India? A. Sikkim, B. Goa, C. Tripura. Correct answer is B. Goa. Which was the first port in India? A. Chennai Port, B. Kolkata Port, C. Lothal Port. Correct answer is C. Lothal Port. Which is the largest state in India by population? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Who called Mahatma Gandhi the father of the nation? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Subhas Chandra Bose, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is B. Subhas Chandra Bose. Where is India's first film studio located? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Himalayas, B. Aravalli Range, C. Western Ghats. Correct answer is B. Aravalli Range. Which gas is the lightest? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Helium. Correct answer is B. Hydrogen. Which crop is known as white gold? A. Wheat, B. Cotton, C. Sugarcane. Correct answer is B. Cotton. Which is the largest port in India? A. Mumbai Port, B. Chennai Port, C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Correct answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Which is the largest fish? A. Whale shark. B. Blue whale. C. Great white shark. Correct answer is A. Whale shark. Which language is considered the oldest? A. Sanskrit. B. Tamil. C. Greek. Correct answer is B. Tamil. Which is the most popular sport in India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Football. Correct answer is A. Cricket. Which fruit is the heaviest? A. Watermelon. B. Pumpkin. C. Jackfruit. Correct answer is C. Jackfruit.